I heard last night was way.
Once we complete our warlords, the media will depart, and then we can have an interchange of it. No, my pleasure.
Thank you very much. Amanda, how are you? Thank you very much. How are you? Marhaba, habari yako? Very good. Niko salama.
Deputy Assistant Secretary, that's for Africa.
Okay.
Karibu sana.
Have you been to Kenya?
Kabisa.
Ulikuwa Mombasa? Asante sana.
Asante.
Thanks for including Haiti. So, okay. Also will be,
Our prayers are with all Kenyans suffering from these things. Mr. President, you and your team were great hosts during my visit to Nairobi last September and a key partner for global security. So I'm delighted that President Biden has announced his intent. Kenya's leadership of the multinational security support mission in Haiti shows the important role that Kenya plays in global security. We also appreciate Kenya's contribution to UN international peace and stability operations. And of course, we're also grateful for Kenya's generous support in hosting U.S. forces at Mandabay. The memorandum of understanding that our two countries signed at the State Department this week to expand the Mandabay airfield is a testament to the strength of our partnership and to our commitment to strengthen Kenya's counterterrorism capability. 3 Kenyan cadets have been admitted to the 3 U.S. military service academies. They will be the first Kenyan cadets to attend these outstanding schools. And I'm confident that they won't be the last.
we have undertaken the responsibility bestowed on us by the international community to lead the MSS in Haiti. And as I said, we consider the situation in Haiti that it requires the input, the participation, the contribution of all nations who believe in self-determination, who believe in the rule of law, who believe in freedom. And it's time that we all show up for it. And I promise you that we will be working with your teams to see how we can do this together and to expand, of course, our relationship into the future along the lines that President Biden and I discussed yesterday, and I'm sure you and Adam have discussed. I must say with a lot of gratitude, kindness will go a long way in building capabilities necessary for the security of Kenya, and especially for the fight against terrorism that we jointly are undertaking in our region. We will also be discussing our joint approach to the situation in Somalia in the context of the heavy throwdown. Our position is that it shouldn't be calendar-based, it should be conditions-based, that we should be able to assess the situation on the ground, and that should inform the levels of withdrawal. And I must be immensely grateful to President Joe Biden for his undertaking to work with us, to persuade the EU and other friends to continue to work with us in Somalia so that we do not open a vacuum for terrorists to conduct their activity. So let me say again, Secretary Austin, I'm truly grateful that you have welcomed me to this great institution